Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to top 5 selling ceiling fan of all time. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued. Experience the epitome of modern elegance with our black ceiling fan with lights. This 52-inch masterpiece boasts a whisper-quiet DC motor, delivering powerful airflow without disturbing your tranquility. With its weather-resistant design, this outdoor ceiling fan effortlessly withstands humid conditions. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and stability, while the reversible function optimizes airflow and energy efficiency throughout the year. Enjoy a stunning, illuminated space with its 1200 lumens LED light, offering adjustable color temperatures from warm white to natural to cool white. The memory function conveniently remembers your preferred settings, using the remote control. Effortlessly adjust fan speeds and set timers, while the 5-10 down rods allow for seamless installation on sloping ceilings up to 18. Ideal for farmhouse, patio, bedroom, living room, and kitchen settings, this ceiling fan is a perfect blend of style and functionality. Backed by our 12-month warranty, we stand behind the exceptional quality of this product. Contact us through order details for any questions, and experience the ultimate in comfort and convenience today.
Step into the future with our stunning flower ceiling fan with lights. Its sleek 5-petal design enhances any room, illuminating your space with its adjustable color temperatures and stepless dimming. Enjoy customizable comfort with 6 wind speeds and a silent motor for a peaceful night's sleep. Its ability to adjust wind direction ensures optimal airflow for all seasons. The integrated LED strip provides energy efficiency and a nightlight mode for a cozy ambiance. Constructed from durable materials, this fan combines style, functionality, and convenience for a modern touch to your home. Introducing the fabulous 52-inch ceiling fan with lights and remote control, an outstanding addition to your home decor and comfort. Its versatile design boasts 3 distinct LED color temperatures, allowing you to create the perfect ambiance for relaxation, work, or social gatherings. Powered by advanced DC motor technology, this fan effortlessly circulates air, providing efficient cooling in summer and cozy heat distribution in winter. Equipped with 3 convenient timers, 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, the fabulous ceiling fan lets you set the perfect time for ultimate convenience. Its whisper-quiet operation, noise level less than 35 dB, ensures tranquility while maintaining powerful performance. Control your fan's speed, direction, and lighting effortlessly with the intuitive remote control. Its thoughtful design features a comfortable grip and clearly labeled buttons, eliminating the need for pull chains. Backed by exceptional 2-year warranty and dedicated customer support, Fabulous guarantees your satisfaction long after your purchase. Don't miss out on this remarkable ceiling fan, designed to enhance your space and provide exceptional comfort.
Indulge in the sophistication and functionality of the VONLUCE ceiling fan with lights. Its exquisite walnut wood construction, enhanced by hand treatment and finish, exudes elegance while ensuring moisture resistance and longevity. This fan boasts a 52-inch wingspan, providing ample airflow to transform your indoor or outdoor spaces. The patented safety cable design ensures peace of mind. Command your comfort with the included remote control, offering adjustable fan speeds 1/6, a timer 1/2 8 hours, and customizable light color temperatures 3000 K, 4500 K, 6500 K. You can control the fan and light independently, driven by an energy-efficient DC motor. This fan delivers superior performance with reduced noise, less than 35 dB, and exceptional airflow, up to 6895 CFM. Its reversible function allows for all-season comfort. Enjoy convenience with the memory function that recalls your preferred settings. The included 5 and 10 down rods facilitate installation for ceilings of various heights. Upgrade your living spaces with the VONLUCE ceiling fan with lights, the epitome of style, comfort, and functionality. Introducing the ultimate smart ceiling fan from Dreo. With unparalleled convenience, this 52-inch fan seamlessly integrates with your smart home ecosystem, allowing you to control fan speed and lighting hands-free via Alexa, Google Home, or the Dreo app. Boasting a powerful brushless DC motor and a sleek 14-angle design, it delivers superior ventilation with airflow up to 56,773 CFM. Choose from 12 speed levels and 3 fan modes, natural, normal, sleep, to customize your comfort. The dimmable LED light offers unparalleled versatility, providing stepless brightness adjustment from 1% to 100% and color temperature ranging from warm yellow to cool white. Illuminate your space to perfection for any occasion. Designed for quiet operation, the fan's noise levels are barely audible, making it perfect for bedrooms or living rooms. Its intuitive all-season operation allows you to reverse the airflow with a touch of a button, maximizing energy efficiency while keeping you comfortable throughout the year. Installation is a breeze with the fan's pre-assembled design. Follow the included video guide for a quick and effortless setup. ETL and DOE certified, the Dreo Smart Ceiling Fan is backed by our confidence guarantee. Experience the future of home comfort today